Let's look at this set. A total of 500 students study in government high school. Out of 500 students, 40% are girls and remaining are boys. So what we have here is 200 girls and 300 boys. This is directly told to us. All the students have to select at least one of the following three activities: music, dance, and speech. Okay. The number of students who selected music is 298 and the number of students who selected dance is 300. There were three activities. Everybody has to select at least one. So the best way to represent it is via Venn diagram. So I'm going music is 298 and dance is 300. Okay, this is done. The number of students who selected all three activities is 52. Okay, this region here is 52. Now I just want to check. Yes, the questions have the number of girls, the number of students who did not select speech. Okay, there is just one question that concerns us with girls. So I don't really have to incorporate recording for girls and boys separately. But let me see, among the girls, among the boys, no, I do. So what I will do is, for such a recording, let me just make this diagram a little larger. See the style that I'm recording. There are 52 people in this region, both boys and girls combined. There will be such lines in every region to demarcate boys and girls. Every region. So 52 is mentioned here. Okay. This will be girls, this will be boys, 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 girls, boys, girls, boys, and the combined number, if ever I get a combined number like I've got in here, 52, I will write it across the line. If I get a specific number, I will write it in the appropriate space. Okay, this is it. Except for two boys, all those who chose dance chose at least one more activity. So this statement means there are only two boys who have chosen only dance. Everybody else has chosen one more activity, at least one more activity along with dance. So girls who have chosen only dance are 0. Boys who have chosen only dance are 2, or the total number here is 2. This point is also incorporated. Next, among the students who did not select music. Now see, students who have selected music is 298. So students who did not select music is going to be 202. Students without music is going to be 202. Okay. Among the students who did not select music, the number of boys was 40 more than the number of girls. This is a very, very interesting piece of information. Because see this, students without music, can I say boys without music plus girls without music is equal to 202. The entirety of students is made up of boys and girls. So boys without music and girls without music is 202. And we are also told boys without music minus girls without music is equal to 40. This is amazing because what this will give us is boys without music will turn out to be 121. Boys without music will turn out to be, 121. No, I think I made a mistake. Let me solve. Do this, 242. Yes, 121. Boys without music will turn out to be 121. And therefore, girls without music will turn out to be 202 minus 121. So 79 plus 2, 81. There are 81 girls who have not taken music, and there are 121 boys who have not taken music. Now, this can be represented wonderfully. But what this also gives us is, see, the total boys are 300. The total boys are 300. So boys who have taken music is going to be 179, and girls who have taken music is going to be 190. From 200 girls, 81 haven't taken music. From 300 boys, 121 haven't taken music. So boys who have taken music is 179, and girls who have taken music is 190. Additionally, see, look at these boys who have not taken music. Two of them are already recorded here. These are the only two regions left. See, if I take this as X, this will be 119 minus X. Similarly, girls are 0 here. So if I take this as Y, this will be, sorry, this is not 119 minus X. This is 119 minus X. Yes. The 119 minus X. If I take this as Y, this will be 81 minus Y. X, Y, 81 minus Y, and 119 minus X. All of this is known. And for music, 179 boys and 119 girls altogether adding up to 298. This is also perfectly all right. This fourth point is critical for us to figure out the nuances of this question. Next, we are told, among the girls, the ratio of students who selected only music, exactly two activities, music and speech, and exactly two activities, music and dance, was 4:2:3. Only music is 4K. This must be speech. The third activity I haven't labeled yet. Exactly two activities, music and speech, is 2 units. So 2K. And dance, music and dance. This must be how much? 3K. This is 4K, this is 2K, this is 3K. Here. I don't know how this helps, but for the time being, it stays. Next, among the boys, the ratio of number of students who selected only music, exactly two activities, music and speech, and exactly two activities, music and dance, was 9:5:7. Okay. This is 9M. Then 5M. And then 7M. 7M. Okay. Absolutely wonderful. I can now see, look at the music circle is where the action is. The music circle is where the action is. That is where we get our fun. Let's see. Can I go 3K plus 4K plus 2K is 9K. Plus 9M plus 7M plus 5M is 21M. Plus 52 is equal to 298. The entire music circle. Okay. So I will get 3K. No, I can't really subtract by 3 right away. So 9K plus 21M is equal to how much? 52 also, 246. 246. Okay. So I get 3K plus 7M is equal to 82. 3K plus 7M is 82. Okay. Three K plus 7M is here. So this number is 82. Okay. I have 82 here. I have 2 here. 84. 84 plus 52 here. 84 plus 52 will be 136. If 136 is already used up out of 300, the number here must be 164 because the entire dance circle is supposed to be 164. Okay. But my first question is talking of the number of girls who selected music and exactly one more activity. So I need 3K plus 2K. I need the value of 5K. Precise value of 5K. Okay. 3K plus 7M is 82. This much I know for certain. Beyond this, is there anything else that I can figure out? Okay. Yes, I can. Look at this. 9M plus 5M plus 7M adds up to 21M. 21M is less than 179, less than equal to 179, which means M has to be less than equal to 21 into 8. 8 point something something. M has to be less than equal to 8 point something something. The boys who have taken music is 179. So M has to be less than equal to 8 point something something. And 21 into 8 is 168. So yeah. And apart from that, the girls 9N, 9K. These are the girls who have taken music 4K, 3K, 2K. They have to be less than equal to 190, or K has to be less than equal to 13 point something something. K has to be less than equal to 13 point something something. So with these constraints, this equation might be useful. Let me just write it here. 3K plus 7M is equal to 82. Now, this is first solution set I can see is 1 and 25. This works. Although it doesn't fulfill these two conditions, I'm just trying to find out one solution. Once this solution set is identified, the next solution set would be 4. This goes down by 7, 18 and 4. 54 plus 28. Is this an acceptable case? M is fine, less than 8. But K is not fine. K is more than 30. Let's go down further. We get to 11 and 7. We get 11, which is less than 13. 7, which is less than 8. So yes, this is the first acceptable case we have found. These two cases are non-acceptable because K is becoming greater than 30. Can we go even further? One more case. If I go down further, this will become 4, but this will become 10. And at this level, hopefully you can see this has become unacceptable. 10 cannot be acceptable because M had to be less than equal to 8, which is to say we have found out precise values for K and M. K is 11 and M is 7. So this is 63 and 44. This is 33 and 49. This is 2K. So 22 and 35. 63 plus 44 is 107. 35 plus 52 is 57. And 82 was already recorded. Great. We have lots of information captured. So now, one more wonderful thing. See, look at the music circle. Music circle already has 298 people. Dance has given me 2 more people, so 300 people are already recorded. 164 people are here, which means the two numbers here will add up to 36. The music circle is 298. The music circle is 298. This is 2 extra here. There is 164 extra here. There is 164 extra here. 164 plus 300 is 464. So in order to take the total to 500 students, the number of students here who have taken only speech will be 36. And now we have all our regions appropriately defined. We can get to the individual questions. All the points are taken care of. The number of girls who selected music and exactly one more activity is. I have 33 here, I have 22 here, so 55. There are 55 girls who have selected music and exactly one more activity. How many students selected exactly one activity? I have 107 here, I have 36 here, and I have 2 here. So 145 kids, 109 plus 36 adds up to 145. What is the difference between the number of students who selected both dance and speech, but not music? So 164. And the number of students who selected both music and speech, but not dance, minus 57. 164 minus 57, I have 164 here, I have 57 here. The difference between them is 107. Next, the number of students who did not select speeches. The number of students who did not select speeches. Okay, let's see. How many people have selected speech? I have 164 here, I have 36 here. So 200 already accounted for. 52 and 57. 200 plus 109 is 309. 309 people have selected speech. 309 people have selected speech. So how many students did not select speech? 191 did not select speech. This is done. And last one, which of the following is definitely true? The number of students selected only speech is less than the number of students selected all three activities. Yes, only speech is 36. Number of students selected all three activities is 52. So this is definitely true. This should be the answer. But for peace of mind, we'll check the other three also. The number of students selected only music. Only music is 107. Is less than the number of students selected all three activities. Not valid. Number of students selected only music is greater than number of students who did not select speech. Only music is 107. Who did not select speech is 191. So this is not valid. And by extension, the fair answer here has to be option A. And that is the entirety of this question. Hopefully, this is a recording style I had generated because in certain questions, you also had to take care of additional parameters like male, female, or manager, employee, or Australian, American within the set paradigm. So I had come up with this style. I know how this style works and what labels have to be very identical. I also have x and y and 81 minus y and 119 minus x identified here. Although we don't get to use that eventually because we did not have additional information for these reasons. But if you make your diagram like this, this question can be back. That will be all for this.